Hello lovely, my name is Frankie and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on the Wave Hello Curl Defining Taming Cream by Noughty. So I've been using this product for a couple of weeks now and it's a really nice product. It's really lightweight, there's no fragrance, so it is curly girl safe. If you saw my video last week, I am now embarking on the curly girl method. So that means I'm using curly safe products and I'm not using any heat or any brushes on my hair. I have been using it pretty much as the directions say, but the directions are quite broad. They're basically saying to apply it evenly over damp curls and style it as you normally would. So that's what I've been doing. I started off with a lot less product and over the couple of weeks that I've been using it, I have been really sort of playing around with how much product I can use. And obviously it's one of those things that some days I use too much, other days I get it just right, and some days I don't use enough. But I think I've got it right now. So I go in with a really big amount at the beginning and kind of coat it all the way through. And then I go through again after I've kind of checked what areas need a little bit more cream basically, and then I scrunch my hair because it adds the curl pattern back in and defines the curls. So I've scrunched my hair here and then I just put it up in a towel wrap to air dry, or God, I can't think of the word, towel dry. 4.5 hours later and my hair is finally dry, and yeah, you can see that it's super defined. I'm just going to turn this light up slightly so that you've got a slightly better view. Super defined and really moisturized and really hydrated. It feels really soft. You can't tell that there's any product in it, which I love. That's kind of why I love curl creams and why I tend to use curl creams quite a lot, because they're such a lightweight way of giving your hair a little bit of definition, a bit of hold and hydration and moisture. So yeah, you can see it's really defined it. The curls are nice and separated. It's not sort of one clump or one wave. I've still got my sort of signature area of frizz, which I'll show you now. So there's still that band of frizz in that top area, but apart from that, the curls are super defined and really nourished and really moisturized. So what I've just done is flipped my head over and shook my hair from underneath. So trying not to sort of touch too much of the top area to reduce the frizz. So kind of shaking the curls out from the nape area and just fluffing it out a little bit. And I think that really helps. It really gives it a nice lift. And yeah, I've also done one other thing. I grabbed a tiny bit more of the Wave Hello and just ran it through my hair. So I'll do that again for you now because it won't make much of a difference. I should have done that on camera. So about this much product, massaged it through with praying hands. We just run through just to kind of smooth out any of that frizz and then scrunch it into the ends. So that's probably the quickest tutorial I've ever done, but I just wanted to show you guys how I've been using this product. It's a really nice product. I'll do a full review for you in the future so you can see what I like and just know a little bit more about the product. But yeah, this is how I've been using it, when I've been using it, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next week. Bye.